Okay, I hear that there's an airplane coming, and I wonder why it's flying so low. There it is. Oh. Oh, that bird. It's behind the tree. It's going back. Can't seem to get him on camera, but he's coming back. There he is. Got him. He's behind the tree again. I lost him. Oh, there he is. It's kind of weird not really weird, kinda rare for an airplane to be flying around this low. Okay, YouTube, I don't know if I'm going to be posting this one or the other one. So anyway, I just finished videoing this Bumblebee video. This Bumblebee toy. Yeah, so it's kind of weird that there's an airplane flying that low right now, today. So, thanks for watching, YouTube, and subscribe for more.